What's up, guys? Today I am test riding the Z900. This thing is awesome. I don't really know many facts about it, so I apologize if you guys were hoping for more of a fact sheet, but I'm going to give you guys my first impressions of it and tell you guys what I think. I've also got a camera B right here, so I hope you guys enjoy that. That way you can see my face, see my eyes. But yeah, we're going to enjoy ourselves. We're going to see what we can get into. So yeah, off the bat, this bike is really well balanced. It's a big bike when you look at it, but honestly when you get on it, it's not bad at all. It's got 6 gears, which I'm pretty sure it doesn't, nope, no 7th gear, 6 gears. You know, I have an Z900, if you guys know that I have that, and I've been looking at getting a little bit more of a CC, so that's why I wanted to ride the Z900, just to see what the difference in power was, and it's definitely noticeable. Unfortunately, on this ride, I'm not going to be able to open up as much as there's Z125s with us, and traffic rules, so obey your traffic laws. But yeah, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Kawasaki for doing that. They do these demo rides every year now at the crawl, and it's just awesome to be able to ride all these bikes. A lot of people are on Ninjas. You know, I'm on this obviously, and a lot of people are riding the Z125 as the crawl is a mini bike meet. But I just wanted to ride a big bike because I own a Z125. I don't need to ride that one, so I know what that's like. But I definitely really appreciate that Kawasaki does that, because no one else is doing that kind of thing. I think Benelli is letting a couple of people ride their bikes, but it's not the same. Stella! Yeah, a little 5th gear pull right here maybe. Oh yeah, it's got some power. It's got some power. It feels good. Oh yeah. It feels very balanced. That's the biggest thing I'm going to give it. The maneuverability, it feels, you know, heavy at times, but once you throw it over, it really sinks into the corner and really gets into that corner really nice. It feels great. Obviously I'm not dragging me or anything, but then again I have shorts on, so don't want to be dragging me. Oh man, this is a lot more power than the Z900. The Z900 is really my only bike that I can compare it to, because it's the only big bike that I've really rode really well, and this is a huge difference, so much faster. Obviously the Z650 is the competitor to the Z900, so this is a step up in power, so obviously I'm going to say it's more powerful. But you know, you think the bike would be really big, really heavy, and just weird, and I'm a really skinny guy, if you could tell, but this feels great. It feels just like my Z900 weight wise to me, and I really like the seating position too. The more I ride it, the more I realize that, you know, I'm not hunched forward, I'm not straight up at the same time, I'm kind of right in the middle. My back's not hurting, my legs are in a really good position, and everything's just really simple to get to. Everything's just really well put together. Obviously, you know, being the brand Kawasaki, being a bigger brand, they're gonna make a really well put together bike. But you know, just want to say that it is well put together. Obviously it's not a crap bike. This bike is amazing and it's awesome. Obviously I would like some TST turn signals or something, but for right now it's great. One thing that I kind of wish I did is I kind of wish that I looked up the stats, because, you know, obviously I can give you guys my impression of the bike, you know, but I really wish I could give you guys some stats. You know, what's the horsepower, what's the torque, what's, you know, the tire pressure. So yeah, I'm kind of in between. I have my Z900 already, and you know, obviously, you know, I like it, but I kind of want more power, and this just has the power. You know, I kept looking at the Z650, but I was just wondering if it was worth trading in the Z900 for the Z650. Obviously, not being a big difference in bike, and as I've got better, I've wanted more power, and this is so much power. I honestly don't even know what to do with it. Oh yeah, I got some turns in right here. So obviously with the bigger motor it gets hotter. Every time I ride my Z900 I have jeans on, so I should have known that more cc's is going to mean more heat. So I would recommend, you know, having at least some jeans on when you ride this thing. But I mean, man, is it a blast. It's got all the power down low that you want, and once you get up high, you are literally holding on. I really don't even want to full throttle it at all, just because it's going to take off so fast. I really don't want to mess up Kawasaki's bike. Alright guys, it looks like that's going to be it. Obviously, we rode the beautiful Z900 here. It looks awesome. If I got one, it would definitely be this color. Obviously, I already own a green bike, so I like this colorway. But yeah, that was awesome. It's got the Akrapovic on it. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. But yeah, just wanted to give a huge shout out to Kawasaki. Thank you for letting us ride all of your bikes. Obviously, all of these bikes are able to be demoed and ridded and everything, so that's awesome. So big shout out to Kawasaki for that. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry I couldn't give you guys a bunch of stats and stuff. I wish I would have known more stats and stuff before I did the ride. But hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to check out the crawl event video. It's going on right there. So see you guys next time.